Hello guys! Welcome back to the vlogs. For today's video, so ito pala yung nabili ko sa store sa Pizza Hut kasi madali-dali lang sa Pizza Hut. So I bought pizza and chicken. Let's see. Kapag nagmamadali, so ganito na lang. Okay, this set. I will show you the pack, the one order of. Anyway, this is have drinks. This is $4. Yeah, I don't know how much is this in your country. And then let's see inside what I get for the $4 meal. $4. $4. Guys, may bumili lang ng yellow. Ice. It's called ice in the Philippines. So this is it, the ice. Apat na rin po. Hinali ko na lang sa video. So now there is customer. That's why we stop to our ano. So let's continue, guys. So this is what I get for my $4. But it's not 4. It's like 3 something. Okay. So 1 piece of chicken and rice because I love rice. Okay. Then there is sauce and the drinks. I will show you the drinks. So this is the drinks that I drink already because it's too hot in the outside. So I will show you the $8 pizza. So here in the Philippines, there is a store that's called Pizza Hut. Okay, store Pizza Hut. So this is the name of the store, Pizza Hut. So what I get is the regular size only. And then the flavor is, what is the flavor of this? I forgot the flavor of this, no? Yeah, I forgot the flavor, but it's pizza. And look at that. So the lady said that if I will order the 369 pesos, that is a $7. It's thin. So the pizza is thin. So here's the difference, guys. If I order the regular size, that 6 slice here, it's 6 slice, huh? The other one is 4 slice only. There is 6 slice on that 669 pesos or $7, but it's thin. So this one is very overload. Okay, so this is the overload pizza in the Philippines. $8. The price is $8. So see, yeah, I will show you here. Look at that. So there is cheese and there is what is it? I think blueberry and some meats, and there is pepper, and there is what's this? I think there is an onion. Yeah, onion, white onion. Okay? How yummy is that? See? That's the $8 pizza in the Philippines. Pizza Hut. And then, look at this. Okay? Wow. So yummy. So anyway, I will continue my vlog here. So, why I'm here? Because I need to show you what I get for the 10 pesos 10 pesos. 10 pesos in one of each of this, and I will use this in my blog. So it's 10 pesos. So I got here an apron, guys. Look at that. So I need the apron because I'm always cooking in the kitchen. So I need that. Look at that. It's a green, apple green. I like the color. That's apple green, right? And then so what I got, another one is this. I think it's fit of me because so it's okay again that I can use through my blogging. So this is it. The other one is this. So there is there is little like need need to wash. Okay, look at that. This one. Okay, and look at this. And this is outfit for cooking. Look, wow. Look like apron or what? And I will show you if I wear that soon. Okay, and then this one because so I like big size. It's very hot, guys. I need to sando that big size. Oh, so this is and I like the color. Oh, and you know my favorite color also like this. This one. Okay, this is good. And look at that. So this one also. So it's not bad for 10 pesos, right? Oh yeah. And this one, oh, look at that. Okay, and so all of these are sando guys that can use through blogging. Oh, this is very good. I like this. Look at that. Look at the print. Wow. And here we go, another one. This is I like the print and there is itchy and maybe and there is in the bottom. And oh yeah, I use this uh, when I get my outdoor shower in the mountain. No, look at that. I read ano. So that's all guys. That's all. So this is it. Oh. So ito lahat yung ating nabili guys sa sa ukay-ukay natin. So ito lahat siya guys. Ang dami. Ayan. May kasama pa yan na apron guys. No. Susutin natin sa ating mga vlogs. Kasi, ayan. Oh. And that's all my vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching.